The Scandinavian Smiles Brush is marketed as a revolutionary U-shaped automatic toothbrush promising effortless whitening and deep cleaning. The website scandinaviansmiles.com looks polished with flashy product photos and bold claims. But when you dig deeper, the red flags are clear. It is a drop shipping item. Identical U-shaped toothbrushes are widely marketed or available on Amazon, AliExpress, and other marketplaces at a fraction of the price. The brand relies on urgency tactics like limited stock and exaggerated promises of instant whitening, but the actual product is just a generic silicone brush with basic vibration. So you can see this in the Google image search. You have this one, Glow by Tit Sonic Brush. It is also being sold on Walmart without a brand name, of course. Basically, it's a scam. But then their website, scandinaviansmiles.com, is a functioning store. But this brush is a generic dropshipping item sold at inflated prices. If you want reliable dental care, stick to established oral care brands instead of paying extra for rebranded imports.